Welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is how to ride your man like a pro. This video has a tutorial, but it may not be the tutorial that you're expecting. Like you saw in the beginning of the video, the tutorials look like exercise tutorials. I'm sorry, that's what you're gonna see in this video. So if you're expecting me to have a man and then ride, this is YouTube. This is not Google. I'm sure that almost all of you watching my video, I'm sure that you watching this video know that you have never seen nude or porn related video on YouTube. And that should tell you that it is not allowed. Because if it's allowed, you'll be seeing it here. You know where you go to watch those videos and something you search on Google and not here. And then you keep telling me to do more tutorial, do more tutorial. That just shows me that my subscribers do not care about me. Because all you care about is for me to please you and satisfy you. What about my happiness? What about me? Do you want me to lose my channel? When I lose this channel, you go ahead and watch other people's video. You don't care. In the last video I did about riding, I pinned a comment there in the comment section telling people I cannot because it is not allowed. And I am a talk-based coach. And let me tell you, as far as you understand English, every little thing I explain is understandable. You don't need tutorial to practice. Someone telling you bend down, or someone telling you lie down flat, raise your hands up. It is as simple as lying down flat, raising your hands up. I don't need to lie down flat and raise my hands up for you to know what it means. If I tell you to roll your eyes in a circular motion or in an anti-clockwise, you know how to do that without tutorial. So why would you want me to put up tutorials? That a lot of all these videos don't pay me, and a lot of them are putting my channel in trouble. So I'm apologizing before I start this because it is always in this one. There was one I did one time, blowjob, and I used cucumber to explain. People loved it because it messed me up. And once your channel is gone, you move over to another person's own. For you to know how to ride, you need to have strength for some things. I'm sorry that there is no way you would know how to ride if you don't practice. Some people have not tried it once, and after watching video, they don't put it into practice, and they keep telling you no, they don't know how to. I have at least 2 videos explaining how to. I've even created a video talking about doing it in a lounge or on the couch, and that is easier than when you're doing it in the natural place we do it. You have to put in some practice, and I always say go slow. And people don't listen to this advice. They will keep telling you, please, I don't know how to. What else do you want me to do? I can't come practice it for you, okay? Now, I'm going to help you to understand how to ride. But first of all, this is a part 1. The video will be part 2. And in this part 1, I'm going to share with you some exercises that you need to do that will help you. When you have practiced this exercise and you're consistent for like a month, it will help you build the tendency or the strength or the stretch to be able to ride for a longer time, and your body is already used to it, for you not to get so tired or tired quickly. Riding is something that a lot of women want to learn, and it is very easy to do, but the problem is we get tired quickly. Let's get into it. Number 1 exercise is alternating lunges. This move will help warm up your glutes and quadriceps. By performing alternating lunges, you will be stretching your hamstrings, reducing the risk of muscle cramps when riding your man. The second one is sumo squats. Regular smooth squats will help you balance and improve your endurance when riding. Now, the third one is saddle stretch. This exercise targets the muscles responsible for hip mobility because you need your hip to ride. Hips don't lie. Increased hip mobility is important in becoming a pro at riding your man. The fourth one is standing hip thrust. This exercise helps you pay attention to your pelvis, allowing you to master your hips and gain control. You will be able to determine the pace and rhythm while riding. And this will help you to master the art of reading when you're riding, so you know when to go slow, you know when to keep it at the medium or at the minimal. It will also help you to know how to navigate when you get tired, what to do, and this is the perfect exercise to help you build this. Number 5 is inchworm. It is important that you also work on your abs. This is because tightening your abs can help you gain more control of your body. It also provides you with upper body strength that will make you last longer during a ride session. Number 6, forward to backward lunges. You use the muscles around your lower body the most when riding your man. Doing a forward and backward lunge in alternating motions helps you work these muscles. Working out these muscles strengthens your grip and enables you to ride for longer before feeling fatigued. Once you have become very adept at these exercises, you should have no difficulty giving your man a memorable and pleasurable experience. So unfortunately, there is no magic tip on how to not get tired when riding a guy other than exercising and strengthening your muscles, especially those around your thighs, glutes, and pelvis. Having established this fact, I will share 15 tips that show you how to ride your man. And because I don't want this video to be long, this is phase 1. I'm going to share the part 2. The part 2 is going to cover the 15 tips that you can follow that will help you ride your man better. And with this, I hope you had fun. Make sure you turn on notification bell when you finally subscribe so that you don't miss out on part 2. Leave a comment in the comment section. Now, I have issue with people getting notification that I uploaded something. I think YouTube is messing me up. I have some people coming to my Instagram and telling me that you don't upload anymore. What is the problem? And I'm like, of course I upload. I know there was a time I went AWOL because I was having issue with relocation and stuff. But I've been back since May. I've been back since June 2024. June, July, August, September, October. This is November ending, or almost December, like December already. And I've been posting since June. But it seems YouTube is not sharing my video or sending people notifications again. Because even people I know here, they keep telling me, you've not been posting in a while. And I'm like, I just posted yesterday, but they didn't get notifications. I don't know what happened. I don't know. But I am still creating content. I am still uploading. So please turn on notification bell so that you get notified when I upload the second phase. The second phase is the main video. Bye.